Okay, we're going to go over just sharing ratio. So this is one of the first things you'll learn when learning ratio, and that is how to split an amount between the ratio. Question 1, Will and Ollie share £80 in the ratio 3:2. First question I sometimes get is, how do you know whose is Ollie's? How do you know whose is Will's? So Will was mentioned first here, so the 3 shares belongs to Will. Ollie was mentioned second, so the 2 shares belong to Ollie. They share £80. £80 is our total amount. We do not need that yet. The first step is to add these ratios. 3 plus 2, that gives me 5. Now I need my total amount. I'm going to do my total amount divided by the amount of both my ratios. 80 divided by 5 gives me 16. In this case, it is £16 because we're dealing with pounds. £16 is equal to 1 share. However, Will has 3 shares and Ollie has 2 shares. So I need to times each of these shares by 16. 3 times 16 gives me 48. 2 times 16 gives me 32. Therefore, Will gets £48 and Ollie gets £32. Okay, let's do another question on this to see if we are confident. And you'll notice this question here, it appears that there are 3 ratio amounts. This does not change anything, okay? Molly, Paige and Demi share 42 sweets in the ratio 3:1. So I'm putting my 3 there, my 2 there, and my 1 there. First step is to add these ratio amounts. 3 plus 2 plus 1, well, that gives me 6. My total amount here was 42, so I need to do 42 divided by 6, which gives me 7. 1 share is equal to 7. So I need to times each of these share amounts by 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 times 7 is 7. Molly receives 21 sweets. Paige receives 14 sweets. Demi receives 7 sweets. Okay, it's really important. You add the ratios first, you divide the total given by the total of your ratios, and then you multiply that amount, which is equal to 1 share, by how many shares each person had. Hope this helped.